We're turning off Downfall and we're dropping down onto Spring Creek Fire Trail. So Spring Creek Fire Trail heads west and joins up to Eric's Fire Trail, which you can take back towards the east and get onto Bolaro Mountain Fire Trail and Bolaro Mountain Road, which takes you all the way back into Mogo. Spring Creek, Eric's and Bolaro Mountain Fire Trail are all pretty easy. Any four-wheel drive would get through there. It's really nice bush and you get some great views out towards the coast.
Oh, it's hot.
2-minute noodles and a mango and some chili chips. That's living like a king.
That is living. Did I put enough water in?
Oh yeah. I'm more of a ham, cheese, tomato with pepper, seeded mustard.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Let's go to Porkchop.
Let's do Porkchop.
Porkchop.
Going to the top, Porkchop.
You're gonna drive it. So we just turned off Bolaro Mountain Fire Trail onto Bolaro Mountain Road. Now we turned left onto Quart Pot Road and we're heading to Porkchop Hill, which is in the distance here, and we're in these paddocks, which is kind of cool. Off to Porkchop.
Let's go to Porkchop.
Porkchop.
I don't think we'll be doing that. Not from here. Looks too funny. No one even does the bottom section. Here we go, the big reveal.
Porkchop Hill is one that every four driver or moto rider should go and check out. Shane from Track and Trail Adventures told me about it, and he said that it was one of the biggest he'd ever seen. And Shane's been to a lot of places, so that's saying something. There are a few YouTube videos out there of four drives getting up it, but it wasn't for us. This place is mental. Even up there, that looks like an escape route. Crazy stuff.
I think that's as far as Porkchop we're going. We can make it to the bottom there and that's it. I'm not going anymore.
Nah, that'll do. So Brooke's gonna have a go at this bad boy. It's the one next to Porkchop. Freaking steep, that's for sure. And rocky as hell. Well. Could be a diff. I think that rock might have grabbed the diff, but mate, go. Yeah. Yeah, it's on that side. Catching the diff or the axle. Yeah, come this way, a fraction. Straight.
After seeing that, maybe I'm a chance.
Nice, you're on it, easy.
So much concentration. Oh man, that stuff, that gets you going, that's crazy. I mean, it's probably not even that hard, but for us, it's us amateurs.
Oh yeah, that was where we just came.
Check it out. We made it here, we're going Mogo Powerlines.
We're going left first and then go right.
Yeah, go all the way to that hill in the distance.
That goes down, eh?
It's soft. Feel how soft it is?
That's the whole way in.
Yeah. That was easy. Have a look at the back. Look at that mud slosh.
Look at that. I think I need to move and get it out. We've done a bit of track building here. We just don't really want to do too much or any panel damage. So what you need to do is try and get over a little bit further. So go over to your right and then hit it sort of straightish. Okay, keep going, yeah, try and go over a bit more. Now straighten up a little bit, hit towards the rock, keep going, 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 keep going. How do you feel, muscles?
Yeah! Track building! Oh, that's cool. Thanks for that. Go far left to those sticks. See those sticks hanging out towards your window? Those are the ones you want to hit. Keep going that side, stay that side. Now straighten up. Straighten up. Straighten up. Oh! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Now touch the sides there.
I'm ready to camp. Are you ready to camp?
There's North Head Beach, but I don't know if it will show me where it is.
We're looking for a camp, something a bit off grid or something that's not actually a real campground, but we're just hitting snags here. This is a nightmare.
You're gonna make our own roads by the looks now. Bloody hell. She's a bloody bit overgrown. Tried for a campground, but it's not gonna work.
Look at this track.
In 500 metres, sharp right onto Mills Fishing Road.
Oh, thanks Google. You're bloody all over it down here. We're at the back of Bateman's Bay looking to get to the water. It's just like impossible. We are calling it a day. We've made the call. We're going home. Bye. See ya. All the campsites sucked, and then we were just going to go back to the one we were at last night. So we thought it's only about an hour and a little bit to home. So let's just bloody do it. And we can wake up at home in the morning. It'll be sweet. Because we're just going to drive home tomorrow morning anyway. So it's, yeah, why not? Peace.